Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do double exposures on your iPhone. So you might be asking what a double exposure is, and it's a super simple thing. All you're doing is taking one picture and another one and overlaying them on top of each other while making one of them a little bit more transparent. And you can easily get very artistic with it and very creative, but I will show you how to do that on two free apps on your iPhone right now. So the first app that we're going to be using is called Snapseed. So download that in the App Store. Open up Snapseed and open up a photo of your choice. I'm going to be using a silhouette sunset photo. What you're going to do is click on the middle section down below called Tools, and then all the way at the bottom left corner is double exposure. Go ahead and click that, and then it'll allow you to select a new photo to put on top of this sunset photo that I have right here. So bottom left corner, add a photo. I'm gonna add this galaxy photo right here, and you can see it looks pretty nice, but I don't want that person at the bottom to be in it, so I'm going to expand it out right here so I can only see the stars. And then on the bottom right corner is this little droplet. I believe this is the opacity tool, and you get to see how it works. If you slide all the way to the right, it'll show you the entire top photo, but you don't want to do that, so I want to slide it all the way down just so I can get a more subtle effect, and that is going to be how I like it. And in the middle, there's a couple blending effects that you can mess with. So lighten, darken, add, subtract, and overlay. Overlay makes it like very crispy and contrasty if you like that. I used to like that when I used to make double exposures back in the day. Click the check mark when you're done. Go on and click export, and it'll give you a couple options on how you want to export it. Say for example, you want to like save a copy or whatever, but I'm going to go with the last option, export, and then it's saved in my photo library. The next free app that we're going to use is Photoshop Express. So go ahead and download that in the App Store and open it up. In this middle section right here, you can select any photo that you want to edit. I'm going to pick this very contrasty building photo that I have from the Mission Bay district in San Francisco. Go ahead and go to overlays, which is right at the bottom, and then you have all these overlays that you can mess with. It's pretty cool that Photoshop already has these stock inside the app, so you don't have to take your own second photo to make a double exposure with. So I'm going to scroll through all these effects, but I really like glitch, so let me find that right here. And then there's tons of glitch effects that I can scroll through, but I'm going to go with glitch 1. And then a slider pops up where you can mess with the opacity just like that. But I'm going to go right here. I'm going to export the top right button that looks like a box with an arrow pointed up. Going to export that, save to my camera roll, and that is all done. As you're experimenting with your double exposures on these two apps, you might be noticing that you're increasing a lot of clutter in your photo library and running into that storage is almost full notification. So to kind of avoid that problem, you should use Gemini Photos. Gemini Photos is an app that uses AI software to detect a lot of duplicates or screenshots or blurry photos in your photo library, and you could sort them all out with the app. It'll throw them into different buckets, and you get to pick what you want to delete, what you want to keep, and Gemini Photos makes it all easy for you, so you should probably download that to avoid that cluttered mess in your photo library.